Hey guys, in this video we're going to compare Linux Mint versus Ubuntu versus Pop OS. Which one is best in this year? So Linux has become very popular because it offers free open source operating system that are stable and customizable. Among the most common options are Linux Mint, Ubuntu, and Pop OS. Each of these systems has its own style, features, and target users. Now first in our list, Linux Mint. So Linux Mint is well known for being simple and beginner-friendly. Its interface feels familiar to people coming from Windows, which makes the switch easier. Mint focuses on stability and ease of use rather than constant new features. It comes with many tools pre-installed, so users can start working right away without too much setup. Now, Ubuntu is one of the most widely used Linux systems and is often chosen for both personal and professional use. It receives regular updates, has strong community support, and works well with many types of software. Ubuntu uses the GNOME desktop by default, which looks clean and modern, though it may take time for new users to adjust. Now, Pop OS, on the other hand, created by System 76, is designed with power users, creators, and gamers in mind. It has excellent hardware compatibility, built-in tiling window management, and smooth performance. It also considered one of the best Linux options for gaming and creative tasks. So overall, Linux Mint is best for beginners. Ubuntu works well for general users, and Pop OS shines for advanced users and gamers in mind. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.